Hi everyone! Today we'll be talking about how to use our outpatient department landing page. This is a generic landing page that we created for training, but when your system goes live, you may have landing pages of your own. First, we go to our clinical tree and we select OPD landing page with a single left click. If we want to make this landing page full screen, we can do a double left click. Now on the side of the landing page, which is your left hand side, you'll see that there are some action buttons. You can update the appointment status, meaning arrived, waiting, in progress, or finished from here. You can view any previous notes. You can go back to your appointment ledger, refer the patient, or book a theater. On the right hand side of your screen, you have buttons that lead you to particular forms. A form for a new patient, a form for a follow-up note or a SOAP note, a vitals form, and a lab results form. Below you have some graphs. They're currently empty because no data is recorded for this patient. But these graphs are customizable. You can see anything from vitals to hemoglobin levels. Let's try to write a new follow-up note. We're going to select Write New SOAP Note, and this launches a template. Templates are known as forms as well in System 1. This is where you can enter all your information. In my subjective field, I'm going to put fine. And in my objective field, I'm going to write an exam. Now, I might see this patient and their exam was normal. However, I may want to avoid spending a lot of time typing in a normal exam. There's a little button next to this text field, and it's called the Preset Notes button. When you select it, you can add a preset note. Usually what I will do is I'll put normal examination or procedural findings here, and persons can select them. I'm going to select cardiovascular system and click OK. This has pre-populated those notes into this text field. However, I can still edit these notes if I want. Maybe my S1 and S2 was heard, but I did also hear a murmur. So I can say that murmur was present by just erasing murmurs and saying murmur present. You can also erase particular areas of the preset note as well. I can even add more than one preset note at a time by selecting a preset note, holding my control key, and selecting another preset note and clicking OK. This is a very convenient way to take notes in System 1. Another feature I want to show you is our drawing feature. You see this blue text here that says click here to draw? If you select it, it will take you to the drawing page of the template, which you can see at the very top of the screen here. With a drawing, you can communicate certain concepts that would be difficult to do through text. We'll talk about how to draw in a later video. We also have some quick action buttons for if you wanted to record a lab result, or if you wanted to refer a patient. When you're finished with your template, you can select OK. And you can minimize or close this window and save the information in your patient's record. But before I do that, I want to do one more thing. I want to update the vitals and input-output charting. So I want to add a BP. I want to add a temperature, SpO2, and a heart rate. And I'm going to select OK. Immediately you can see that these graphs populate with the data that I've just entered. Now I will select Save to finish off my patient's record. And that's how you use the OPD landing page. To recap, what we covered is how to find the OPD landing page, the buttons that are used as quick actions, for example, to update appointment statuses or go back to your appointment ledger screen, the buttons that are used to launch different forms where you can enter information, as well as the graphs that are used to show you trends over time. Thank you so much for listening.